Hello, I have made it out here to Groveland campground. Larry came down last night. I was out with my girlfriends. We've been friends over 30 plus years since high school. This is the year that we start turning 50. So two of my closest friends turned 50. Well, one turned 50, the other one will be 50 on the 15th. So we were down in Detroit celebrating their birthdays, having a good time while Larry was here at the campground. So I'm just making it, and Groveland is packed. And to my surprise, the Adventure Bandits are actually behind us. Oh, we love them so much. Watch all of their videos. They're out here as well this weekend, and hopefully we'll have some good footage for you to see.
Hello, y'all. We're down here at Groveland County Park in Holly, Michigan. We're on our bike, as you can see, coming across that bridge.
It was rough.
I think it's about time for some e-bikes, because we come.
Then you said we need to exercise. Isn't that what you said?
We can't make it across the damn bridge. Excuse me for cussing. We couldn't even make it across the bridge, y'all.
I made it across the bridge.
But it's all good, though.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it's about time for some electric bikes, though. We have some next summer, for sure. I'm gonna get us a couple bikes over the winter months, and I've been doing a little research on them. Get the right one. I hate to buy one and don't like it and see something else that I like. So we've been doing some research, but we do that in the winter time. So we just out for a bike ride tonight. Enjoying this evening. Cloudy skies, but
Cool.
I don't think it's gonna rain. And Frank, I got on the shirt that you gave me. You see it? See if you see it. My friend Frank gave me this shirt up in hoodie up in Lake of Dreams,
Merrill, Michigan.
Yeah, a good friend of mine is Frank and Katie. This y'all shout out. But I know y'all gonna watch this, so we just out for a bike ride. We will continue on, and y'all see what we took. All right. See you in a minute. We got another bridge, y'all. You see that? She's struggling. You see she's struggling. She's struggling, and I'm struggling too. I gotta actually push my bike.
I want to give a shout out to the legendary RVers. We ran into them down here at Groveland Oaks Campground in Holly, Michigan. We sat and talked with them. They're a camping team as well. Awesome group. And they gave Larry a lot of sound advice about the e-bikes that he said we're getting next year. And we got this awesome gift bag. They do have the convenience of 3 dump stations at one time to kind of help the flow. And this is one of the group areas off in the distance over to your left. And I say that place was jam-packed this weekend. When I pulled in, you can even see through it. Here's some of the cabins that they have available to rent with a view of the lake. This is also where the boat launch is. I think it's non-engine or non-motorized. I don't know the correct term. But as you can see, this is a beautiful view here from this cabin. They also have paddle boats you can rent, kayaks, and I think they have tubes, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe they got rid of those, that you can rent for the beach area. I don't know if you can see the people on the paddle boat that you can rent. That is a workout for sure. I think you rent them by the hour, if I'm not mistaken. And there's a few people over at the beach. Once again, we love Groveland Oaks. Close to home for us. And plenty of activities for the kids. There's a nice big playground over there. Place to skateboard. Whatever that is with the ball in the sand. Pavilion. There's plenty of activities for people of all ages.
Good morning from where we at?
Groveland Oaks.
Groveland Oaks. We'd be so many places I forget where we at. But anyway, good morning.
Good morning.
Hopefully everyone had a good weekend, safe day.
I did.
Yeah.
We didn't get very much footage from Groveland this time because why?
She was celebrating her best friend's 50th birthday. Shout out to Tina. Happy birthday to you today.
And Tamika turned 50 as well, and Sharice. But Sharice, she turned 49.
Yeah, the big 5-0.
Yes. This is the year that we've been friends since high school. There's 9 of us, and we celebrate birthdays every year, and this is the year we start turning 50, and then it flows until next year.
So we just want to say happy birthday to y'all.
Yeah. And Larry didn't get the footage because I wasn't here Friday, so he didn't record.
Right, that's her thing, so.
Whatever, it's our thing. Yeah.
But we had a good time still.
Yes.
Just had a good time out here. Groveland Oaks is a good park, a beautiful park though.
Yes.
I love it out here. It's just hard to get into Groveland. You have to almost do a year in advance or just luck up and get a spot online. You go online, Groveland Oaks County Park, and you see the different sites. If you got a green mark, a green spot, green dot, I should say, then that site is open and you can book that site. But if it's red, that means somebody already got that site. And they think they got like 30, 40 maybe walk-in sites, but good luck with
Those
that.
are hard to get to.
But we lucked up and got a site today, this weekend, I should say.
And don't forget their group area. That was I have never seen it that packed. I mean, it's been packed, but not that packed.
Yeah, the park was full.
Yeah, it was.
Like I said, we had a good time.
Shout out to the legendary RVers.
Yeah.
I think is it Cassandra? Forgive me if I'm saying your name wrong, but I know she's TNT, Dynamite.
TNT.
And her husband Terrence.
Yeah. The legendary RVers.
Yeah.
That's a good group, really good group.
Camping group as well. Everyone, they greeted us so friendly, so nice. They cooked, they offered us food. We got a gift bag. Just a great group.
Yeah. So we're getting ready to go home and get ready for the next trip.
Yes.
And whatnot. And so y'all just have a good day. Like and subscribe. Our subscriber count is going up.
How many we have now?
We got, what was it, 13, 14, 15. Now we up to 17.
Oh, 17. Oh, okay. Woo,
So,
woo,
we moving
17.
on up.
Like George and Wheezy.
Yeah, on the east side. But we thank y'all for watching.
Yes.
We appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, we just doing this for fun.
Yes. And if you see us, come up to us.
Yeah.
We love meeting new people.
Yeah, we are friendly.
He the social butterfly. He'll talk to that bumblebee if it'll talk back.
Yeah, so y'all can come up and speak, say hi.
Yes.
Whatnot. Good people. Just trying to have a good time, enjoying life, because tomorrow's not promising no one.
Not at all.
Not even the next hour, next minute.
Next second.
So we don't take it for granted. Like I said, once again, we just appreciate y'all for watching. Continue to watch.